We talk a lot about severe weather here in the big country, whether it be hail or heavy winds or heavy rains, but we don't tend to talk about lightning. But lightning can be just as dangerous, if not more dangerous, than those other aspects we tend to focus on. Now, lightning can strike as far away as 10 miles from the base of a thunderstorm, and that's about the distance you need to be away from a storm to hear the thunder roar. And that's why we have this saying, if you're outside, when thunder roars, go on and head indoors, because this is going to keep you safe from being the next victim of a lightning strike. But what is lightning? Where does it come from? How does it form? So lightning is a huge crack of electricity that comes from the clouds. Now, clouds themselves are made up of billions of tiny water droplets and ice crystals. And these ice crystals and water droplets are constantly bumping against each other in the cloud. Now, these constant collisions start to separate electrical charges. Positive charges tend to go up towards the top of the cloud, while negative charges tend to focus towards the bottom. Think about when you wear socks and drag your feet across the carpet really fast and how that builds up static electricity. This is similar, just on a much larger scale and in the sky. Now, these negative charges at the bottom start to zigzag down towards the ground. This is known as a stepped leader. Now, much like a magnet, this electron stepped leader starts to draw up positive charges from the ground. And once these charges meet, you can start to see this powerful electrical current start to flow through both charges. Now, we don't see the initial electrical current. We see this return stroke right here towards the back, and it is traveling extremely quickly, about 60,000 miles per second. And all of this is happening in less than a second here. Now, and this can also strike multiple times in the same place. That's what causes that flash of lightning that we tend to see in storms. Now, there are many types of lightning. The one we just described is cloud to ground. It's very common. But no matter what type of lightning you do see, they are all dangerous, and there is no safe place outside when a thunderstorm is present. So remember, when thunder roars, head indoors.